Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever dreamed of camping in something that looks like it time-traveled from a Beach Boys album cover, while still having enough charm to make your neighbor Greg abandon his 200K fifth wheel and ask you for a ride? Well, today's star is not just vintage. It's got more personality than my friend Dave after 3 cups of truck stop coffee. Meet the one and only 1966 Volkswagen Type 2 Westfalia SO-42 camper, a machine so iconic, I believe it actually whispers road trip every time you walk past it. Before we dive into nostalgia and oil stains, make sure to subscribe to CampAvto, because we're dropping old school cool with the kind of comedic torque you didn't know you needed in your feed. Now, let's talk specs, because while this van may look like it's powered by Good Vibes and Bob Dylan lyrics, it's rocking a freshly rebuilt 1.6-liter flat-4 engine with a Volkswagen Solex 34 PICT3 carb and electronic ignition. That's 1,584 cc of classic boxer goodness, fed by an electric fuel pump and bolted to a 4-speed manual transaxle that sends power to the rear wheels. And yes, folks, you shift it yourself, like a real adventurer or someone late for yoga in 1969. The van has 16,000 miles on the 5-pidget odometer, although I think it stopped counting disco. Less than 1,000 of those miles are under the current owner, who wisely left the hula girl on the dashboard. Because priorities. It's finished in pearl white with gray and gold vinyl inside. Basically the Instagram filter of vintage vans. With jalousie windows, a pop-top roof with windows, and a side awning, you can get a cross breeze so pleasant, it might make you forget you're camping next to Larry and his 17 barking chihuahuas. Add fold-out tables, privacy curtains, and a Bluetooth stereo disguised as vintage. And I think you've got a rolling paradox. Modern comfort with Cold War-era swagger. The SO-42 layout includes a rear-facing jump seat, a fold-down bench that turns into a bed, overhead speakers, a fridge, a household power outlet, and storage cabinets that look like they were designed by someone who once lived in a submarine. Oh, and did I mention it comes with a pop-top that gives you just enough headroom to hit your head once, then duck forever? Riding on 14-inch steel wheels with chrome VW hubcaps and Hankook RA08 tires. It stops, eventually, using 4-wheel drum brakes. And folks, I believe this bus doesn't just take you places. It transports your soul back to a time when fuel was cheap and nobody knew what gluten was. Current bid? A cool $15,275. That's around 14,300 euros. Not bad for a rolling conversation piece that'll get you more thumbs up than a Labrador puppy on a skateboard. Official website for reference? You won't find one. This is pure vintage magic. My friends, if you want to help keep our channel rolling smoother than this Westfalia's gearbox, become a CampAvto sponsor for just $1. That's cheaper than a roadside churro and more rewarding than Greg finally admitting your van is cooler than his motorized condo.